later on. We're going to get to sine, cosine, and tangent ratios in the next few weeks.
I forgot how to do this in SOHCAHTOA.
SOHCAHTOA.
No geometry.
It's algebra 2. And I don't mean like algebra 2. I mean algebra also. And the answer is no. What? No. Square root of 2.61. Congratulations, you win the prize. X minus x squared plus y minus y squared. All right, our x coordinates are 0.5 and 1.1. My y coordinates are 1.4 and 2.9. All right. As long as my decimals both have a singular place behind them, instead of thinking this as 1.1 minus 0.5, think of it as 11 minus 5. Or 5 minus 11. Negative 6, right? But there are decimals here, aren't there? Specifically, there's one place behind the decimal. Instead of thinking of that as 1.4 minus 2.9, think of it as 14 minus 29. What's 14 minus 29? Negative 15. But there are decimals involved here. You have a question? Yeah, but make sure you're not adding where you need to be subtracting. Okay, instead of thinking of this as 0.6 squared, what's 6 squared? 36. Now, let's think about when we multiply decimal numbers together. Your answer, how many decimal places are behind do you have in your answer? 2. However many were in the problem, right? 0.6, 0.6, that's 2. Instead of thinking 1.5, think 15. What's 15 squared? 225. But I have 1.5 times 1.5. There's 2 decimals in the problem. So I've got 2 decimals in the answer. Do I take the square root first or do I add first? You've got to add. And so you get 2.61 and you're looking for the square root of that, and we're going to leave it. That's kind of kooky looking, but we're dealing with distance, and so we'll take it. Okay? All right. I want y'all to listen to this. Circle Q has a diameter of AB. If I call a circle circle Q from geometry last year, what does that mean the center is labeled?
Origin, radius, vertex.
The center is Q. Because I name a circle with its center. It says it has a diameter AB. A diameter goes through the center of the circle, right? Okay. So let's just say this is A, and this is B. If A is at -3, -5, and the center is at 2, 3, the question is, what are the coordinates of point B? Can anybody tell me how we might go about doing that? No, you're looking at coordinates on a number line. I mean on a XY axis. Okay. I'm going to find the distance first of all. I need to find the distance between here and here, and that's going to be called the radius, right? Well, that's the same distance that's going to exist between these 2 points.
Do you add it to 2 and 3?
That's what I'm going to let y'all figure out tonight for bonus points tomorrow.
Oh.
If you can give me the answer to number 19 tomorrow with work to prove that you got the answer, and the work actually gets to the answer, you'll get bonus points.
Wait.
Number 19 on page 414. That's a challenging problem. This is it.
How to do these tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll talk about it. Now listen, tomorrow is, does anybody in here have a makeup to take tomorrow? You, okay. Tomorrow is makeup exams. I have Catherine that has to take a makeup, but I do have a worksheet that you're going to be working on where you're going to be practicing this type of stuff, but it'll be kind of fun and entertaining at the same time, hopefully. But you will be doing it quietly, all right? All right. Homework assignment is this. This is the first homework assignment for quarter 4.
Is it bonus points for quarter 4?
No, bonus points for quarter 3.